Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayomide Emmanuel. People do call me the admin. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you have not subscribed this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Today we are going to objects to. Previously we have did projects and templates tools. We explain everything displayed on the screen here. Then we explain text tool, where you can edit, add quotes and many other things. You can format your text and everything. We have explained that. Today we are going to image and object tool. In this tool we can see some sub tools, which are stickers, import, draw, shapes, bezier and arrow. Now let's start from the first one, which is sticker tool. Firstly, let's choose a black background. Let's choose a black background like this. Now yes, let's delete this there so we can have a black screen. Yes, now we have our black screen already. Now to our back to our object tools, we have sticker here. You can see many sticker here. This is normal sticker that came with pixellab. For those of you that didn't have pro pixellab, this is normal pixellab. These are the stickers that come with it. As you can see, these are the normal stickers that came with it. These are normal stickers that came with it. So to our stickers, so this is for those of us that are using pro. You can see something like this. You can see something like you can see wow, you can see oh no, oh my god, and many other things, many call to action, flyers, approved, original, exclusive, free and many other things that we can see here. So let's choose one as example. So for those of us that didn't have pro pixellab, you can comment under this video. I will give you the link to download the pro pixellab. That will give you unlimited funds and everything will be free on it. So let's continue. Let's add one normal sticker. So this is our sticker now. This is for illustration and many other things. So now after choosing this sticker, you can see many tools pop up. That's the reason why I call it sub tools. So you can delete it, you can crop. As you can see, you can crop it as when after cropping you see that I've seen another shape. So let me back. Okay, so you can crop it, you can copy, you can use bezier tool for it. You can use bezier on it, like that means like draw. You want to draw many things, so you can draw anything you want. As you can see, you can draw anything you want. So that's work of bezier tool. So we are still going to bezier tools actually, so don't let us go there now. So after then we have to front to back. As we want to position it. Then we have, you want it to move relative position. I've explained that in previous video. So if you want to know much about that one, you can follow this YouTube channel, because I'll be dropping another video explaining everything, and I will be using it for design, so you guys can understand what I am actually talking about. This is relative size. As we have relative position, we have width, we have height, so we have texture. We have color. You can choose any color. You can choose gradient, which is solid. You can choose that one. We have texture. That means you want to power clip an image inside it. For example, let's choose an image from my phone. If I have any image here, let's choose any image. So for example, now you can choose this. As you can see, I added this. So because we have added, let us deactivate the color. As you can see, welcome to church is now inside the sticker. is a shape. Actually, you can call it a shape too. So after then we have opacity, we have color filter. You want to change the color, maybe you added an image inside this and all of that. We have eraser too. You can erase anything there. So you understand, erase and rehearse it. So this is it. I've rehearsed everything. I've erased everything that I don't need. We have 3D rotation. We have rotation 2. This is it. We have 3D. We want to turn it to 3D and turn it to 3D actually. We want to the perspective of it. So this is the perspective. You can, as you can see, and change the we have can change the perspective, can add shadow, can so let's change the color black to white. So can change the shadow, and what else? You can add inner shadow. As you can see, you can emboss it. You understand? You can emboss it. It is because we have did many of editing. That's why it's like this. So we started from scratch. We want to use this for design. With all these things I explained, use the tools where it is going to give you a better and the best design that you want. So now let's leave sticker. Let's delete this. Let's import an image. Let's import an image. So for example, now I want to choose this IOMAF picture. Let's import it. So this is a picture of IOMAF. So as you can see, the same tools we have under sticker, we have it here. So let me just go to those that I didn't explain yet, like this color filter. I can choose this. As you can see, I'm changing the color. I'm changing the color now. So this is work of you in it. Then we have saturation. Maybe you want it to be darker, or you want it to be, some people dark some of their image, so it can give them what they want. Maybe you want the image to dark without any color, or you want the saturation to be more. So that's it. So but this is normal. This is the normal image. You can see. So this is the work of brightness. As you can see, I brighten it and I reduce the brightness. So any way you want. This is construct. You can reduce it, you can increase it, you can do whatever you want. We have image, we have color eraser. So for example, if you have a plain background design, okay, let me just delete it. Let me import a new picture that have a plain background, so you can understand what I'm trying to say. It's not every design you will be going to remove background. Maybe you want to remove the background or none of that things. So for example, now this is Fanta. So if I want to remove the white background of the Fanta, though it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be normal. So let's find one. Let's remove the background. So just choose the white background, and then so you want to check maybe it has changed. Just change the background. As you can see, we have a plain Fanta. So because it has some white backgrounds, there is a white in this image. That's the reason why it was like this. If you change the color back to color white, it is going to make sense. So that is that for that one. Let's check another. We have 3D shape, we have perspective. I think I've explained that one previously. Maybe if I want to change the perspective of the Fanta, as you can see. So we have changed the perspective of the Fanta. Let me undo it. So we have shadow. Maybe we want to add shadow to it. So as you can see, the way you want the radius to blur, So this is the shadow of the counter. Maybe you want it to be like it is not on the design. So like this now. So just draw the background already. Now as you can see, we have drawn the background. So this is emboss, but it's not advisable for image. So we have draw. Draw is very simple. Maybe you want to draw something, maybe you wrote something like order now. So you wrote order now. You wrote order now on a design. So you want to circle it. If you don't want to go to Pinterest and download the elements, you can just circle it. You'll be seeing this in most of people's design. So something like this, you just circle it. You should have seen it in so many designs. So this is what they used to do. Then we have shape. This is shape. You can choose any shape you want. Let me change the background to black. You can choose any shape you want here. So choose any shape you want. We have many shapes. Here we have arrows. So the last one we have there, it is the same thing. It is the same choose that is under every of it. Then another one we have is Bezier tool. We basically use Bezier tools for drawing. So you understand? We use it for drawing. I have done this one. I want to color it. Let me change my background to white so you can see. So this is it. This is what I drew. Don't mind my hand. So I want to change the color. So as you can see, this is what Bezier tool can do. Then the last one we have there is arrow. You want to add arrow to your design. Let me change the background to black so you can see. So this is work of arrow. You can change it to, you can change the head to anything you want. So as you can see, you can change the hand to anything you want. You can change. So that's it. You can change it. You can use stroke, opacity, and all others. So next time we are going to background and transparency tools. So these are the two. They deal with the background. They have nothing to do with the design. They do with the background of the design. So next video we are going to do more of it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Emmanuel Ayomide, popularly known as the Admin Media Concept. Thank you for